For perfect waterproofing, you should never compromise on less than the best. That is the key mission of Pazkar, the leading waterproofing and sealants manufacturer in Israel. We strive to be the best. Since 1934, Pazkar has manufactured a wide range of membranes, emulsions, and coatings, which provide a thorough solution for all waterproofing and insulation needs. Pazkar is the sole manufacturer of torch-applied bituminous membranes in Israel. Pazkar products consistently comply with the highest quality assurance standards. Pazkar vows to maintain its position as a market leader by the local production of high-quality materials, as well as marketing of leading international brands. Pazkar's research and development department works around the clock in order to provide an advanced state-of-the-art range of products, which also includes eco-friendly certified waterproofing pastes. When you choose Pazkar, you can be sure that you have made the right choice. Pazkar, waterproofing at its best.